Hello guys, I'm Siddhi, and in these quarantine days, I thought why not to give a try to learning Java, because in the race of learning advanced Java or advanced technologies like Spring Boot, we forgot to finish up our original, or we forgot to finish up our basics. So I just felt that why not to finish up our basic knowledge of Java. So let's get started, guys. Today I'm covering the topics JVM architecture, which is the basic building block of the Java. So let's get started. In this topic, under this topic, I'm going to cover these subtopics like these virtual machine, types of machines. Uh, there are two types of virtual machines: hardware based virtual machine and the application based virtual machine. And then basic architecture diagram of JVM, class loader subsystem, uh, what are the various types of class loader subsystem, like what are the subsystems present in the class loader subsystem: loading, linking, initialization. And again, there is a very important topic like types of class loaders: bootstrap class loader, extension class loader, application class loader, how class loader works, need of customized class loader, and then pseudocode to define our own customized class loader. um, then various memory areas of Java virtual machines, like there are five memory areas of JVM: method area, heap area, stock memory area, PC registers area, and then at last native method stack area. Importance of runtime class: program to help to display statistics of heap memory. Then there are three types of memory, like max memory, total memory, free memory. And these are how to set max and mean of heap size. These are very in detail JVM architecture topics: execution engine, interpreter, JIT compiler, then native interface, Java native interface, JNI, class file structure, like what is this magic number, minor version, major version. So guys, all these subtopics we are going to cover under the JVM architecture topic. So let's get started. Maybe you are wondering, I actually at the early stage of learning Java, I made these notes, and I thought with the help of these notes, because I written those very beautifully, not beautifully, but I tried my best to make these notes. So in the future, whenever I'm stuck at any point, I can refer those. So with this purpose, I made these notes. Um, so I think these notes will help you guys. So okay, fine, just let's get started to virtual machine. So what is this virtual machine? The question is virtual machine. What is virtual machine? A software simulation of a machine which can perform operations like a physical machine, which is not having physical existence. So in short, it is not having physical existence, but which can perform operations like a physical existence, physical machine. Okay. So there are two types of virtual machines, and those are hardware based virtual machines. Again, it is also called as a system based virtual machine. And the second type of virtual machine is application based or a process based virtual machine. Hardware based virtual machine and application based virtual machine, or a system based virtual machine and process based virtual machine. Hardware based or a system based virtual machine, how it is going to work or what it is: it provides several logical systems on the same computer or hardware with strong isolation from each other. Okay. So are you able to see this picture? So this is whole one computer, and it provides several logical systems on the same computer with strong isolation from each other. So this one is one logical system, second logical system, third logical system. They are completely isolated from each other, and so this one is a hardware based or a system based virtual machine. So each one is logical system. The advantage of this hardware based or a system based virtual machine is that effective utilization of hardware resources. So everyone is fully utilized. This every logical system is fully utilized. Okay, example of this hardware based virtual machine is KVM, which is kernel virtual machine. Then second one is VMware, Xen, or cloud computing. These are the hardware based system machine. Nowadays we listen about this cloud computing word frequently, and this comes under a hardware based system virtual machine. Okay, it is system admin related terminology but not programmer related. So this one is a system admin related technology or a terminology, but not our software developer or a programmer related word. So now second one is related to programmer related terminology, which is software based or application based process based virtual machine. The virtual machine acts as a runtime engine to run a